Well, for the past 43 years, I've been in this incredible world of personal growth and loving every minute of it. My background is quite extensive. I began in the world of sports psychology after playing basketball for a few years at Syracuse University. Absolutely loved it. And then we moved on, and in the early 1990s, as a matter of fact, it was exactly 1990, I burned out in the world of health and fitness and moved into the world of general, purposeful self-growth, personal growth, helping people to achieve anything in life that they have a goal for. It doesn't matter if it's losing weight or expanding a business, letting go of an addiction, relationship challenges. It's everything in the world that has to do with looking better, feeling better, being more grounded, and maybe most of all, finding out the answer to why we're here. The name of the book that I have recently released, and it actually became a #1 bestseller on Amazon about 3 weeks ago, Helping Americans Heal, the ultimate guide to healing during these challenging times. And we all know these times have been incredibly challenging. I guess it was around 1999 that I realized the whole reason of our existence was to find the reason for our existence. Sounds pretty crazy, right? And then my existence became even bigger and broader and more important to me as I realized that there wasn't any topic I can't cover except for politics. And that eventually led to being involved in how we're going to move through this pandemic. What are we going to do with this COVID thing? And then from there, what about this racial strife? And then from there, the political upheaval. And then it goes on and on with the pandemic, vaccine issues, and all those kind of things. And out of all the insanity came this book, Helping Americans Heal, the ultimate guide to healing during these challenging times. And what we want to do is put together a Bible to help people move through trauma, PTSD, anxiety, depression, weight gain, relationship challenges, career challenges. I mean, so many different things that we cover in this book because we are inundated, overwhelmed with challenges coming from the left, from the right, from up, from down. It's all over. And if we don't have a guide, if we don't have tools to help us move through these challenging times, we're going to fall behind. It reminds me that when I work with veterans, oftentimes they'll come into the office or contact me via Zoom or phone for their sessions, and they've been back for 4 or 5 years. Their demons have gotten bigger. Their addictions have gotten deeper. And of course, we can still help them heal, but it's going to take more time. And that's what we say in the book. Now, right now, when people are procrastinating on making those changes, and maybe the alcohol has increased. Alcohol sales were up 1,000% a year ago, online alcohol sales. Maybe their relationship has fallen through the cracks. There's a report by the American Psychological Association after our book came out, which verified writing the book, saying that 80% of Americans had no idea of how to handle the emotional stress, the financial stress, the addiction stress during the pandemic. 40% said they didn't know how to handle anxiety or depression. We have so many challenges in this world today. And this book is the Bible, the compendium. Every page is going to be a different article. Every article is going to have not just the challenge we're facing, but solutions as well. If I could say a pearl of wisdom, it would be ask for help now. If you find yourself procrastinating on your relationship or your health or your addictions or your finances or your career or whatever it might be, procrastination is the fastest growing addiction in the world today. It's incredible how many people come in and go, you know, David, 3 years ago I started drinking a little bit too much every night and I haven't stopped. I kept saying I was going to get rid of it the next week. Or 2 years ago I said I really needed to find a new job. The career now is down to a 20-hour week instead of 40-hour week, but I haven't been looking. David, 2 years ago, my partner and I started having great struggles, but I haven't done anything, and it's gotten worse and worse. So my pearl of wisdom is don't wait any longer. I couldn't shatter my addictions without help from the outside world. I know I can be vulnerable, I can be honest with you, and it's the truth. I want you to heal. The book is available at Amazon.com. Of course, you know all of my work is available at TalkDavid.com. I want people to come and reach out to me. I want people to see that when they come to TalkDavid.com and they see all of the different options that they have to work with me, that our work is verified. It's been verified by Psychology Today, Marriage.com, Therapy Tribe, Theravive. There's all of these different sites that have endorsed our work. So if you don't work with me, at least work with someone else. But don't sit on your hands any longer. Everything is going to get worse the longer we procrastinate. So this message is a powerful one. It's a proactive one. Act today so that tomorrow you can wake up knowing you're moving in a new direction. I'm David Essel. Have a beautiful day.